day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two T900 Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. We have the first version here, the T900 Ultra Smartwatch, and we have the newest version, the T900 Ultra 2 Smartwatch. These are all Watch Ultra clone, and we are going to compare the design as well as the menus and features offered in these wearables. So if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and compare these wearables. So before we proceed on the design and the menus and features, let's check out some details on the packaging. As you can see here, our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, it is using the iWatch Pro application. While for the T900 Ultra, it is using the iWatch Plus app. Okay, so the same iWatch application, but different version here. Okay, so next, when it comes to the design, on our T900 Ultra 2, it is a 49mm smartwatch. Okay, while for the T900 Ultra, it is a 45mm smartwatch. As you can see here, there's an obvious difference when it comes to the size. At the back, both do have a PC material with fake watch strap lock and screws, and both do support a wireless charging. On the side, okay, it is much better here for the T900 Ultra 2. It looks much more professional compared to the T900 Ultra with a with a plastic orange action button. On the other side, with the crown button here, as you can see, there's an obvious difference on the size. For the T900 Ultra 2, the black one is much bigger compared to our T900 Ultra. And of course, for the screen display, the T900 Ultra 2 has a 2.19 inch, while this one, it is around 1.95 inch screen display. Okay, for the menus and features, let's see. On top, we have notifications. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings. It's almost the same, except that there's a gesture control here for the T900 Ultra 2. On the other side, it's all watch faces, the same on the right side. Left and right, it's all watch faces. While for the T900 Ultra 2, we have the split screen and the watch faces on the right side. To access the menus, all you have to do is just press the power button here or the crown button, and they have the same icon as you can see here, the same features. So let's scroll it one by one. Okay, so we have the sleep monitoring, so the same features. How about for the sports? Let's check. Okay, so the same sports function as you can see here. Okay, nothing has changed. Maybe it is just the design. I don't know if there are additional features here. Seems like there are none. Maybe the gesture control. The menu style. We have at least 6 menu style here. How about here for the same? Oh, we only have 5. While for the T900 Ultra 2, we have at least 6. Just only one added menus or one added style. For the settings here, let's check. Okay, on the bottom part, let's go to the settings. Message more. Okay, we have here. Okay, so there are some additional menus or features included in the T900 Ultra 2. We have the dynamic support here. The same, set language, set time, set date. Okay. So we have bed lamp side mode, side key setting options. We don't have it here in the T900 Ultra. Backlight brightness, there's also an option. We don't also have it here in the T900 Ultra, but we have it here in the T900 Ultra 2. Okay, next, go back. Other than that, they almost have the same features. Okay, let's check for the heart rate. Let's see. Where's the heart rate? Okay, as you can see here, the same animation. So obviously, just a minor upgrade, I think, for the T900 Ultra 2. Except for the much bigger body frame, okay, and some additional features, as well as much bigger screen display. And this one also, it's an added feature, the Smart Island, which is not available here in our T900 Ultra 2. You also have a split screen, it's not available also here in our T900 Smartwatch, but it's available here in our T900 Ultra 2 Smartwatch. Okay. And of course, the support app. iWatch Pro for T900 Ultra 2, while for the T900 Ultra, we have the iWatch Plus. Okay. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. And the menus. Okay, they almost have the same features here. Just some few added options for the T900 Ultra 2. Okay, but of course, it is now much better with its big body frame and big screen display. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features and design for our T900 Ultra 2 versus the T900 Ultra Smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the comparison review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.